This may not be the day for me to be using a chainsaw.
Our progress today is very slow. Did you just put oil in your fuel tank? But I just ripped the tire off.
And I've broken this.
1 o'clock, we haven't even started yet.
I might as well get bacon.
I'm so confused right now.
Don't tell Matt.
Hello, welcome back to the tiny cabin. On this video we have Jody and Desmond arriving, which is awesome. They're going to be helping me clear some deadfall from the front of the property, including one danger tree that we've seen. And if I get time, there is a little project I'd like to take care of by the lake. Before I do that, I've got to run into town. I just realized that we are out of water, which is probably not going to bode well for us. And if I'm going into town, I might as well get bacon.
For
Unlocking the quad?
the quad.
Are you f***ing... That was wrong size. It's like, how are they different? How are they different? Oh, look at... Uh-huh. Well, that's not... Yummy, yummy, yummy. Forbidden cocktail. And we never saw Des again.
He went over the hill and disappeared. Did you break it, Jody? Did you want some safety first, Vance?
Nope.
Alright.
I'll let you...
It worked, what?
Mm-hmm. Who did that?
You did it.
You take it so long.
Wrench. Pliers.
Oh, pliers?
Because I don't think I can bend it up.
Okay. What did you lose?
What's the... oh, there it is.
1 o'clock, we haven't even started yet.
I know.
Go on. We can start at that end and start working our way down.
Yeah, I was just gonna start right there as I started to limb that tree that's...
Okay.
And
We can do that.
So I was gonna just kind of make everything bite size.
That's the plan. We're making it bite size and then we're pulling the logs out. That's the plan.
Oh,
What did you do, Jody?
can I have some fuel?
Is that why it's not working?
It's not why it's... Is this diesel?
Yeah. Did you just put oil in your fuel tank?
Yeah. So, she's gonna run real rich, I think, for a little while if it runs.
Does your dad watch this?
He's not watching this episode.
Okay. Pro tip, when you're using a chainsaw,
Pay attention to which hole you're putting your lube into.
I was distracting you. I apologize.
No, it's all my fault.
There is some gasoline though if you want that one.
And I've broken this. Okay, this may not be the day for me to be using a chainsaw. Fair warning. Okay, come on, baby. Watch it. Keep moving. Might need more fuel than oil.
Yeah. So are we doing all these? Do you think?
Yeah, I think so. Why not?
Yeah, I mean, it's not like we've got a shortage of them. And work our way that way.
I think so. So
Yeah.
we'll cut this one in half.
What's it like in the middle though? Is it? 'Cause it is a nice big one to kind of slice down.
I think it's solid.
Yeah. Well, let's
Can we just limit and clean up around it?
let's limit and clean up around it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, then
we're to focus on this stuff, right?
yeah.
And then
Where we're putting it
well, the good stuff we should pack. We do on that back
on the pile
on the back pile.
and the shitty stuff.
And the stuff let's leave here because then we can toss it in and get rid of it to the.
To the dump. Are we going to bucket up into chunks to put it in the dump?
I think we just leave them long right now, and when you're ready to take them to the dump, we'll cut them into that size pieces so they just fit into the trailer. So my chainsaw's down, so you better get to work.
Oh, damn it! I should have brought a tripod. Oh, I have a tripod for you guys.
Sometimes when I'm editing these videos, I just find it incredibly funny, all of the things that are going on behind me in the background while I'm filming. More so when Jody's with us.
See, many months ago, Jody lent me his tripod. And I never gave it back to him. You guys are going to be sitting in style. Jody,
Hi.
making a mess as usual.
All right. Longer.
Don't chase that. You forget what to do?
I guess I can go out between on the other side of here. Where's the chainsaw?
Didn't look like staying on there anyway.
All right, back up.
They're going to be a while. Remember what happened last time we weren't wearing hats?
Hey, you were wearing a hat.
I think I saw some sort of video about that.
You'll be fine. Whoa!
That hurt.
Good times were had by everybody but Matt.
Everyone laughed about it afterwards. No input, Jody. It's all you.
Not gonna get much out of it. That other one looks pretty stable.
See, that's the one we're going to try and take down right there. That big. That fell down like in the past
Doing
week.
that for, few cuts.
Jody doesn't have a plan. We're just going to wing it. Huh? That's not good. Oh, I should not stand here. Okay, so now we're in even more of a precarious situation. As you can see, Jody has snapped the trunk halfway up. Let's see how he gets out of this one.
Hey, Dad, how long's your rope?
Which rope? Yeah, I got a long one.
A long one?
Yeah. Well, how long?
Well, we want to be there with the truck.
Oh yeah.
I got a 50-footer in mind.
Yeah, I got a tow strap.
Yeah, because
A tow.
it's broken there,
Yeah.
And that's 50 feet, and I don't think I can get out of the way. So let's pull on it with the car.
Let's do it.
You're up.
Oh, that's me. Okay. Wait, your car or my car?
I don't have a hitch.
Okay.
Sorry.
What?
Let's use my car.
I'm so confused right now. Oh, you don't want to pull it out of the
We're
brake?
not gonna pull it up top because it's gonna land on us again. We've done that before. I mean, you've done that.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at that, I look so majestic with the bright light behind me.
That might actually just be a smudge on the lens, though. There you go. If you're just joining us on the tree felling championship, welcome back. As you can see, Jody ran into a little bit of a snag when he snaps the tree almost at the top.
All right, are we gonna move this good wood over there?
We probably should, yeah, and we'll put all the shitty stuff down here. I know, I should really stop swearing. It's a pain in the ass to edit it out. Our progress today is very slow. You didn't see that because I left you over there, but I just ripped the tire off the log Sorry. I just ripped the tire off the log moving device. Let me show you what happened. The valve was ripped out when we went round a tree, got caught and snagged and ripped out, and then just deflated the tire instantly. So I gotta fix that at some point.
Whatever, you're heading that way, or what's? Oh, you're gonna pull it that way.
Might as well pull it back this way because we can make the corner now.
You got a bolt or another carabiner? Thank you. I think you might need a couple more.
Oh, yeah, I want that
that
one. Yeah. You got that? I'll lift this. Ready?
Yep.
That's good enough. Don't tell Matt. You're all fine. Where are you going, Matt? Can you back up and then come around? And then they ended up on their faces. You may want to check to make sure they're okay.
Did Jody knock you guys over?
Yeah, that's pretty heavy.
Yeah. So let's leave it.
Well, you got those two other smaller ones that are going this way on that.
Hold on. So should we just grab that one long one there then?
Yeah, let's grab that one, move that, then we know that those are the crappy ones.
Yeah.
And then...
Carrying it or?
Yeah.
One of the little things I wanted to do while I was here was upgrade the cargo carrying capacity of the ATV. And the easiest way I can think of to do that without spending a ton of money on extra ATV accessories is to just wing it and redneck it. So we're going to go with these milk cartons that I have zip tied to the frame. And I think that's going to work. Check this out. Jody pointed it out to me. And it looks like we have a little guest. Not sure if that's a bird's nest or something else. I need a ladder to take a look. Oh my gosh. It's empty, but that's amazing. Look at that. That is one well-constructed little nest. Now, do I leave it? Or do I relocate it? I need to Google it, but that's a later problem. But that is so cool.